Today I will explain you about 16 port KVM switches. So this KVM switch is having this thing. Uh, there are this thing 16 HDMI ports are there for this KVM switch. So these are the ports. The 16 HDMI and this thing 16 USB ports are there. So here we have connected this cable of the first to here, this box PC, mini PC, industrial mini PC. Second one we have connected to this one. Okay, and this is Windows, and this one is PF Sense for firewall. So we'll just demonstrate like this 16 PCs you can connect, and this here, and for 16 pieces you would get one display output and 4 USB outputs. So you can connect locally one monitor here. You see this connected monitor here through from KVM. Okay, so I can select whether this has to come or this has to come, and I can connect a keyboard mouse also. Here I have 4 USBs. You see 4 USBs are there. I can connect keyboard mouse. This is IR sensor for remote control. This is the remote control. Okay, I can select up to 16 channels. Okay, and this is a remote on off. This maybe after 100 meter, 200 meter, you want to remotely control it. You can switch on, switch off this device, entire device. Okay, and along with this, these cables are coming free of cost. This HDMI plus VGA cables are coming free of cost along with this. So I'm showing you this demo, and in this demo you can see that now it is in one. Now you see this camera, you see this now I'm putting it to 2. Okay, now it's coming PF Sense. Okay, now I'm putting back to 1. You see here 2 has come. Okay, and here I'm putting 1. It's Windows. Also I need not use this remote. Suppose I don't want to use remote, I can manually go to 2. Then I can select the other embedded computer. Like that 16 computers we can use. The computers can be servers, computers can be mini PC, computers can be mini PC, computers can be servers, computers can be laptops, computers can be any type of that DVR, NVR, any type of computing you can connect, and then with different operating system you can connect, and you can have this output. So what will happen, we are optimizing the resources. We are optimizing the resources. We need to use for 16 computers. We ideally require 16 monitors and 16 keyboards, 16 mouses, and a lot of cabling, air-rolling, all these activities. Here all these activities are used. All the data first, this cable we give along with this KVM, and all the data first come to this KVM. From KVM, only one display, one keyboard, one mouse, one audio. Okay, you can select which PC you want to see. Suppose you want to see 1, you press 1, or put here in remote 1. So like that, here you can have up to 10. Then there is a plus button is there. Suppose 10 plus 1, I press, it will go to 11. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like that I can go. And I can select which PC has to be selected. So for a very slow process, like process plant, where I have a lot of time, and then power plant, process plant, substations, where a lot of computers are required, but or the automated test ways for the driving test. So where there is lot of computers, but only one operator is there. To see the operation, there we can use this type of KVMs switches. So we also have this KVM integrated with one display, one new display. That also we have. This is actually a LAN port, and suppose we have this, we want to use it as a give some data to this, we can use it for this thing. And here some programming shortcuts are there. You can see some menus. So there is a detailed manual. You can go through this. And this product is available from Sundar Techno Solution, Bangalore in India. We are located in the electronic city, is the technology hub of India. We have enough stock of these products. And these are all industrial grade. Thank you.